Yo, what is up mga ka-Bibo? So, I'm back with my channel and so maraming nagtatanong sa inyo na mag-bike check na ako. So, ito na yung bike ko. So, for the brake, I got Taukas like 127.5. For the fork, I'm running with Fox 36 Grip 2 with 170mm of travel. And for the rear shock, I got the RockShox Monarch Plus RC3 and 160mm of travel. So for the cockpit, I got Giant, and for the stem, I got Giant also. And for the brake set, I got SLX, and for the grip, I got the dirt grip of the DNR. So for the seat post, I got the Giant stock part of the seat post. So for the seat, I got this full fabric seat. So for the drivetrain, I got this SLX crank and the chainring. I'm running with 38, and for the cogs, I got this Shimano and 11 speed, but I'm running 10 speed. So yeah, low budget. So for the RD, I got this Joren. So for the wheel set, I'm running with both Maxis, HR front and rear. And for the rim, I got this Winman. Sticker lang po ito ng NV and hindi ito original ng NV. So ang original rim ko talaga ay Winman. So I'm running with tubes for today because there are no races this 2020. So I'm running with tubes muna kasi paggamit ako ng tubeless, baka tutuloy yung silat. So sayang naman. Or ang special dito sa frame is yung privateer stickers na ginawa ng privateer team sa akin from privateers. The pedals, I got this XT, and for the chain, I got this MC chain. For the rotors, I got Shimano 180mm, and for the hub, I got Novatec D811 SB. So this is a very cheap hub. So nabili ko ito siya somewhere in bike market for 2,000 pesos. So yun yung pinakamura na non-boost hub na nabili ko so far. So sana tatagal. So yun lang sa ngayon. So abang na kayo sa mga next videos ko na gagawin ko this month or next month. So yun, medyo medyo madumi kasi yung crate kaya hindi pa ako nakapagawa ng video. Thank you for the lots of sponsors that come to my channel, like these privateers. So thank you privateers, and thank you also to Godzilla. And that's all. Thank you. See you in my next video.